Extreme Rules, The Horror Show 2020 match card and results. Kevin Owens versus Buddy Murphy. The winner of this match was Kevin Owens. The New Day versus Shinsuke Nakamura and Cesaro in a tables match for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match and the new SmackDown Tag Team Champions, Shinsuke Nakamura and Cesaro. Bayley versus Nikki Cross for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining her SmackDown Women's Champion, was Bayley. Apollo Crews versus MVP for the United States Champion. This match never happened because Apollo Crews was injured by Bobby Lashley, making MVP the United States Champion because of a forfeit. Seth Rollins versus Rey Mysterio in an eye for an eye match. The winner of this match was Seth Rollins. Asuka versus Sasha Banks for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match was Asuka by DQ, making her retain the Raw Women's Champion, but she would lose it the next night on Raw. Drew McIntyre versus Dolph Ziggler for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the WWE Champion, was Drew McIntyre. Bray Wyatt versus Braun Strowman in a swamp match for the Universal Champion. This match was a no contest. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next results video.